Hello, good morning. This is E.G. and George. You're watching my booster motivation. It's a pleasure and an honor to get you on this channel. So remember, anytime you get a chance to come here, you will find me talking about money, business, and how to become successful. Without wasting your time and my time, I gotta go straight to the subject to bring you some insight, some knowledge, some key information that you might need to empower you to make you become successful in whatever endeavor that you engage yourself. And the video today, I'm talking to you about your level of motivation. You should always be motivated, always be ready to do whatever you have to do to obtain whatever you want to obtain. So, as it's really cold this morning, very cold. It's a raining day. The weather is not clement, and many people this morning they call sick because they don't want to show up. They don't want to pop up at their job. They don't want to pop up for a sales, for a closing. They don't want to go to do what is necessary to do to grab more money, to make more money, to closing more sales, to show up on a job, to fulfill a commitment they might have. So if you find yourself in this situation, it's fair to tell you that success is not coming this way. You must be ready to work at any time, no matter how is the weather, no matter what is the weather condition. You can take your phone, make some phone calls, send some emails, and post some video on Facebook and Twitter, Instagram. No matter which social media you might want to use to obtain whatever, to obtain the level of marketing, the level of followers, the level of influence you want to obtain on the public, that you can upbranding yourself. You can make more sales and close more customer and have a better acquisition in your business. Scale up your business from different levels. So by the time I'm waiting to my car to warm up, and I see many people. I'm on my neighborhood, and I see most of the cars there in front of the house. And then I understand that because it's a raining day, because it's cold, because the weather is not clement, because everything it's ideal for people to call sick, to do not show up in the job. It's at this precise moment. This is at this decisive moment that I am going out, because I got sales to close, I got customer to call, and I got stuff to do. And it's a perfect day for me, because when I will be out there, I will have less competition, because most of the people that were supposed to work there don't work. This is what is happening in a day like that, and this is why when you are an highly motivated person, when you are a highly effective person, you will always succeed, because no matter what is the weather, no matter how the condition it is, no matter how difficult it is, no matter how cold it is, you can put some clothing that will keep you warm, and then go out there, go get it, go close, make some closing, go do whatever you have to do. Now I have to wrap up the video because it's raining. I gotta go in the car. I will see you on the next video. This is Josh, aka EG. You are watching my booster motivation. You will find my videos are also on the EG show. So it's my pleasure to be with you in this special day. I will see you on the next video.